Welcome back to Underway Drifting and Dreaming. I'm Jennifer. My husband Jim and I are spending a few weeks at the dock in Mobile. And life is going to slow down and we're going to enjoy every moment having fun. From peaceful sunrises over the water to the beautiful sunsets, the end of the day just right in every way. Jim will be fishing, we'll be taking relaxing boat rides, and making great memories along the way. Grab your fishing pole or net and jump on board with us for the week. Time to hoist the Alabama courtesy flag and move docks. Hey, fisherman, what do you got there on that hook?
Shrimp.
You caught me a shrimp for dinner.
So we bought a 7-day ticket for saltwater license for Alabama because their boat's been going in and out of here.
Oh, catching flounder like crazy.
So I bought a couple of rigs.
Oh, look how sweet. Little teeny catfish.
That's not gonna feed us.
No, but it's certainly cute. I'm talking about you, honey. That's all right. Do you have a towel?
Yeah, let me go get a towel and a pair of pliers.
Let me see. All right through his eyeball. He's off, honey. I hear it. Coast Guard plane right above us. Jim's feeding the fish. Last night it was dark and somebody caught a boat. Jim had to walk all the way around. It's like a half-mile walk to walk down the dock at the restaurant, down the parking lot, out on the dock, and all the way back to all the way back over here. And it was just too late to fish after that. Did I get it? Fingers. Alright, so how are we gonna do this? Take it off the hook. Alright. It's beauty. Really pretty. Come on, baby. It's been a long time since I picked up a... Say goodbye, dear.
Is it male or female?
I can't flip it over. It's an Empire State Building.
Yeah, it's a male. It's a nice crab.
It is. Bye-bye. Look, catfish number 2.
Okay.
Alright. Let's see if I can do film. Oh, cool. Where am I going with this?
I'll come down there. I don't want to clean up the sheep's head.
Yeah. Alright. Good job, honey. Alright. There's a catfish in the setting sun. Catfish after catfish. Jim's up there. Taking them off the hook. So each time he catches a fish, he bangs on the ceiling. I've been sitting here and need to run out to use the net. Alright, another stomp on the overhead. Ooh, look at that sunset. Are you catching the same catfish over and over? Alright, yeah, you. Whew, that's a really pretty sunset there. So Jim spent all yesterday afternoon fishing. He caught a lot of catfish, crab, a sheep's head, And he's back at it. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. But I noticed that his fishing pole is just sitting here. I don't know if you can see it out there. But he's not manning it. Let's see if he comes running out. Are you watching your fishing pole? What you got? Oh, look at that pole bend. All right. It's something good. I got the net ready to go. Let's go underneath the boat.
Nice flounder.
Oh my goodness. All right. This is what Jim's been looking for. He's gonna have to. Ooh, look at the teeth on that. I don't think I've ever seen a flounder close up. All right. Fish on the deck.
17 inches.
17. Woohoo! And it has to be 14?
14.
All right. We got the crab. I'll make crab stuffing. I see the fishing line, but where's Jim? I got an elf on the shelf, and it's not even Christmas. Are you a naughty elf or a good elf?
Fisherman on.
Woo! All right, he's caught one big flounder. And so there's quite a few boats out here fishing. Had one going by and jamming his music. He's heading offshore. So when you keep telling your husband there's an alligator, it really is. Every day I start out either on the back deck or sitting on the dock watching the sunrise. And this is something I've done since we've been on the boat. So this is my fun, watching sunrises and sunsets. Farmers Market, downtown Mobile, Cathedral Square. Bought so many vegetables, eggs, honey, had coffee from a wonderful coffee shop. I ran down to Cathedral Square, which is right, I guess it's about 3 blocks from the river, to the farmers market. They have one every Saturday, I think March through the summer. Got stuffed cookies, which I've been seeing on reels on Facebook. Got a lemon with lemon curd, a chocolate cookie with brownie inside, fresh eggs, cucumbers, corn. Check out these radishes, how big they are. Oh my goodness. And peaches. Not sure if I want to make a peach cobbler or shortbread biscuits, like a strawberry shortcake, but with peaches instead. So I think they'll be ready to use in a few days. Oh, and Alabama honey. I got to talk to these people. So they have, I think they said 90 something hives. So I'm looking forward to trying the local honey here. We're underway. Do you got the most important thing?
Orange.
An orange. What is the most important thing on this boat?
Glasses.
Your life jacket. Your life jacket and then me.
All right.
I got my life jacket on. And then you will put your kill switch on too once you're done peeling your orange.
I go fast.
And heading out in Dog River for an adventure. Jim and I went for a ride all the way down to I-10. It's probably about 30 minutes down there. We're approaching Grand Mariner's restaurant and marina where we're docked at, and you can smell the crawfish cooking. It smells wonderful. Oh my gosh, a little bit of hush puppies. Jim says cheeseburger. Oh, fried shrimp. Oh my. Hush puppies. We're gonna have crawfish tonight. Sunrise to sunset. Up on the roof of the pilot house, watching boats go by, listening to the music from the restaurant. How do you take care of a snag? You jump in the tender. Well, it's time to wrap things up here in Dog River off the Mobile Bay. We're going to head on up to Demopolis the next 4 days. So we've been busy grocery shopping. We took up the 4 vehicles today, 3 personal cars and a rental car. It was 3 hours. It's just kind of funny that it takes 4 days to travel up to Demopolis by boat and only a few hours by car. Here comes the second Dolphin helicopter. As our time at the dock comes to an end, we are taking with us some unforgettable memories, beautiful sunrises, peaceful sunsets, great days of fishing, relaxing boat rides, and all simple moments that made the past few weeks so special. Thanks for spending this journey with us and being part of the adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Share your favorite part, and we'll see you in the next adventure, heading up the river. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and we'll be making more.